Hi there. All right, well, I am hopping in here today to share a little bit of a tip or trick, I guess, for your Google Drive folders. And so, this trick is just to um, make your folders look a little bit prettier in your drive. It may be functional as well if you would like to color code the folders for like a topic or a category. But I'll be showing you how to change the folder colors in your Google Drive. I found this is a handy little feature that a lot of people don't realize is available to them. And who doesn't want to make their Google Drive folders look better? All right, so let's hop into my Google Drive now. So I'll be sharing our team Google Drive with you as we kind of walk through this really super quick trick. And you can see that I do have our folders color coded here. I don't necessarily get into color coding the lower level folders. Maybe if I found a need to, but for now, I am good with just having the main level color coded just so it looks a little bit nicer for us on the front end of our folders. What you need to do is just right click on the folder that you want to change the color for, and you'll see a drop down, or I guess a pop out menu of different options. And here is the option to change color. And you can see they actually have quite a few different colors in the rainbow for you to choose from. So you can go ahead and pick whichever color you want, and it will go ahead and save it once you've selected that color. You could use this, like I said, to either sort different categories by color. You could make your folder be more on brand if you could find some colors close to your brand colors. But it's really up to you. And I just wanted to share this neat little trick with you as we are getting into some details about Google Drive here soon. So anyway, I hope you found this helpful, at least if not helpful, but maybe interesting. And of course, I'll be sharing other tips and tricks to help your business tech and tools and systems get a little bit more streamlined and um, just different ways that we can improve them. So, all right, I hope you have a great day. See you next time.